Hello from the Quail Kingdom. I haven't done update for a while, so it's about time. Let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. The boys and girls enjoyed the sun, the afternoon sun. We had lots of rain lately, which is fantastic and wonderful and great for all the plants, but the quails aren't very happy when it's raining for a few days in a row. And that's what it was. So yeah, let's have a look what's happening here. The strawberry guava got new growth. I have noticed, by the way, I have a few of the strawberry guavas and many of the lemon guavas, and the strawberry guava, it's very lazy when it comes to flowering and fruiting. So we will see, maybe this time, sometimes only a couple of flowers and not really as many as the lemon guavas, so or no fruit at all for a while, like now. Yeah, we will see. The Brazilian spinach is a short-living perennial, and if it grows in like one space, like here, and it cannot expand, it will die off after 1 year or two, and I have to replace it. Usually in my food forest, the Brazilian spinach grows and expands, and what do you want? Ow! It's a little one, young one. Yeah, a cheeky one. So yeah, the Brazilian spinach usually expands, so it gets it gets roots. Stop it! It gets It gets roots along the way, and it grows new plants. But this one didn't have a chance. The quails have eaten all of it, so all the new shoots. So yeah, I have to plant a new one. I have just given them a few cuttings of the tree spinach from my food forest, and I truly enjoy the fresh greens. They are also super happy that the ground it's getting a little bit drier, and they can have a bath in the dirt. Here, the giant Thai white guava, which I, by the way, trimmed. I trimmed pretty much all of the fruit trees and fruiting bushes in here. So they got a beautiful new foliage. We are now in autumn here in Subtropics on the Fraser Coast, and look at the beautiful growth, new foliage, and also some fresh flower buds. So yeah, looking good. This is the dwarf mulberry, which also got a trim and got a new growth. Here the black groomy chama didn't get a trim, but it grows very well. And I think that the groomy chama enjoyed the wet ground much more than the persimmon, which I also trimmed it's got a new growth, so I hope it will be fine, but the wet ground caused all the dead leaves, so the persimmon doesn't like the wet ground. Usually it isn't very wet in here unless it's raining for like a week or more, nearly constantly. We had within 1 week over 130 millimeters of rain, so no wonder. Here the Hawaiian guava, which also got a trim, and that's what you can see now. Beautiful new foliage too. Quails love guavas, by the way, and they even don't mind if there is a fruit fly in it. It's even more enjoyable for them, of course, because they got extra proteins. Yeah, I trimmed all the grasses which are regrowing now. Here, the black Brazilian cherry also got a good trim, and straight away pushed a few flowers, and we will have more fruit. No, not for you. I have actually put a back on it if I want to enjoy the fruit, because because the quails are very cheeky and they will eat my my fruit if they can reach it. It's the same was with the guavas. When they could reach the guavas, they got them. I share with them, obviously, but I want some fruit for me too. So a quick look here around the place. There is no grass on the ground, obviously, because the quails love it, so they have eaten it all. That is why I have some grasses which are pushing new growth and will they are eating the seeds then. But here, like this one, put this cage on the little grass bush, because otherwise it will be gone as well, and so the quails are trimming it all the time. Which is additional nice fresh food for them. The yellow Grumichama pushing new growth. Here, that's the purple guava, doing very well. This tree spinach fall down. It was growing really nicely, but because of the very wet ground, it fall down, and it looks like it didn't like it at all the wet. So yeah, I will probably trim it. And here it looks like the new growth is coming. They are pretty tough, so only the older leaves aren't happy, but the new growth, it's about to explode. And so the quails pretty happy. Oh, I haven't shown you the Ceylon Hill gooseberry bush. I have taken the cage off. It looks like the quails are nipping on the, eating the leaves, but yeah, it's still all good. I will probably support it, but other than this, the little bush doing well. So yeah, quails are pretty happy. Enjoying the space, living their life. They have stopped with laying eggs now because we are in, yeah, pretty much middle of autumn. Less light during the day, so not as many sun hours anymore. They are making probably a break. We will see for how long. I hope you enjoyed the little update. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hopefully see you next time. Or if you have any questions, or if you even don't have any questions, leave a comment under the video. All your likes and comments are helping my channel. All the best with all your gardening projects. If you are looking for some quail eggs, fertile eggs, you can subscribe in the online shop so you get notified when I have some eggs again. So yeah guys, take care, see you next time, bye bye.